Hi, I'm Stacy with WTI. Are you looking for a great single-serve coffee option? This machine from SIFENE is a great alternative to your name brand machines, but at a fraction of the cost. It has so much functionality. The machine comes with 3 options for coffee or tea. So you have one that will hold your pods, and the manufacturer has tested it for 99% of name brand pods. And we found in the few weeks that we've been using it, trying different alternatives, that we've had no problem. It also gives you an option that you can designate a basket specifically for tea leaves, and then you can also designate a basket specifically for ground coffee. So that's really nice. I never have to worry about the oils from the coffee basket interfering with making nice fresh hot water. Speaking of hot water, the water that comes out of this machine is boiling hot. So this machine has a great boiler in it, and you know that you're going to get a fresh hot cup of coffee. I really like that the water reserve in the back is generously sized, which is really nice considering that this is a really compact machine. I think this machine would be really great for any home, but especially it would be so awesome if you're a camper or if you have a small apartment. You will love the compact size of the machine. And the touch button screen in the front works really well also. You get a generous sized cup of coffee, and they will even let you know when the machine needs to be descaled. So they've really well thought out this machine, and if you're looking for a great coffee option, this is a really nice machine to go with. It works well, and it has lots of functions, and it gives you what's most important, a fresh cup of coffee. And that's my point of view.